Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change speed of particular scene in the video on InShot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and if you want to change the speed of particular scene in this video, first of all we can click on the speed option right here. Tap on the speed option, and then you're going to select curve. Okay, and here you can change the speed of particular scene of your video. You can drag this dot to, you can drag it up to speed up, then you can drag it down to slow down like this. And you can also use the template. You can tap on the preset right here. Tap on preset, then you can select the type of the speed you would like to apply to your video, and you can also customize it by yourself, and I'm just going to customize it. Okay, and I'm going to make this part faster, so I'm going to speed up like this, and for this part I'm going to make it a slow down. Okay, and before you save the speed, you can take a look at the result. You can play the video, so just click on the play button, and here is the result. Okay, if you are not satisfied, you can click on reset right here. And I guess that's how we can change speed of particular scene in the video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.